Hey everyone, Chris at Lamin-x, and we are installing a door cup protection kit on this F-150. What happens is as you get into the vehicle, especially in this case being black, your fingernails or keys, whatever you're holding, will get in here and it's gonna scratch up the paint underneath this handle like nobody's business. And after over a long period of time, it's just gonna look very unsightly. So what we end up doing is we make a pre-cut door cup protection kit, which is a high tensile strength invisible protective film that goes right onto the paint to protect it from fingernail scratches. So we're gonna show you how to install it today. We're taking our sprayer, which is filled with distilled or filtered water. We're actually just gonna kind of mist it real quick, and then we're gonna take a microfiber towel and wipe it up and kind of clean up and make sure we got any lint, dirt, debris out from underneath this entirely. Okay, all right, now that's clean. Now we're gonna take our mister again, and we're gonna mist up underneath, and then we're gonna kind of mist our fingertips as we pull the Lamin-x off the liner. And now we're going to just kind of line it up, kind of reel it up underneath, pull it up underneath, and it's pre-cut exactly for the door cup area. So we're just going to kind of line it up in here, kind of lightly tack it down. Kind of start in the center, kind of do a sweeping motion. You can even just use your fingertip, quite honestly, here, and apply it down. And then we'll take a squeegee. It's already applied down center. I'm just gonna work my way up towards the edge. We're basically using a medium pressure to escape that moisture that we just sprayed on there. We're using a medium pressure to get that moisture out from underneath the Lamin-x. Pushing it all the way out towards the outside edge. And now we're gonna do the same thing again, kind of an even medium pressure. And just working the way down towards the edge. All right, it is installed down. You're gonna wipe up the moisture with a microfiber towel, make sure we don't damage the paint here. And there you go, our door cup protection is installed. It's already on there and doing its job, completely invisible. A protective layer on top of the paint to protect like fingernail scratches and scuffs. The Lamin-x is self-healing and stain resistant. So even if you get any scratches and scuffs on the paint protection film with heat, it would actually heal back up and disappear over time. And now we're able to keep our door cups looking absolutely pristine. Just wash and wax it when you wash and wax the car, and it'll last you at least 5-10 years. So it is designed for your F-150. If you want to find a pre-cut kit for your vehicle, just go to Laminx.com, select your year, make, and model. Select the door cup handle protection kit for your vehicle. If you have any problems or any questions, just hit us up on live chat, email us, help@laminx.com, or give us a call. Thanks, have a great day, take care.